good, YouTube? We're back again with another video. But wait, my boy Jose is about to leave. Static light. Well, he's not leaving, but static. It's called retardation. But we about to do an Acuity cold air intake on my SI.
There's Sonic on the floor,
And we're also gonna do an oil change on Jose's car. But we about to go get some oil. We back in the static car. You already know the vibes. Horrible ride. Oh man.
Yo, these guys are gonna crash. I'm about to put my seatbelt. I'm scared.
Yeah, and I'm back here in no back seat. Y'all got seatbelts on.
Oh god, this is like a boy. Bro, why you have to come?
Hold on.
You know he could have took his intake already, right?
Boy Jose hard parked. Yeah, AutoZone. Gonna get some oil for the boy. Jose, what do you gotta get exactly? Oil.
Clutch fluid.
Clutch fluid.
Oil filter. And a
filter.
butt plug.
Yeah. Alright. Yeah, so we out here. We'll be back.
Yo, what's up? It's Isaac Fonseca here. Just kidding, it's Static Jr. We got my SI on stands right now. We finna do an oil change. Oops. PG-13?
I'm gay.
Anyways, we're over here with Isaac himself.
The ball nigga himself.
Type shit, you know, my boy.
Bro. Stop. Cause alright guys, so I got the Acuity intake. I got this off of 9 Gen Fam in California. This is for stock throttle body and stock manifold. This is for RBC, so eventually whenever I do go RBC, I'm ready. There's a coupler. And the main part that everybody wants to see. The carbon. And the beauty. Yeah, this is the install for today. We're gonna get right into it. Let's just get right into it. Alright guys, so we got the battery out. We got a rag around the terminals or whatever it's called. I'm gonna put a bump on, was I? Jeez.
我这样子搞扫这个线了。
Cut the fucking clip. Alright, so I unplugged this sensor. Now I'm getting the MAF off. Because we got to transfer it over to the Acuity. Which we will show you guys right now. You can cut it. Alright guys, so as you can see, this is the original sensor. Putting it back on. With the original hardware that's from factory. And that's it. I'm just gonna get it tightened up and that's all.
Huh?
I don't think so. Hold on, let me get this. Okay, that's out.
Go towards you. Go towards you. There you go. There. Keep going. Keep going. There you go.
Beautiful. Amazing. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Alright, we're just getting the filter. I just changed this not too long ago too. And yeah. Rock piece of plastic. I'm gonna get these bolts out. If you want to show what the whole bolt's supposed to be.
That bolt. And there is one back here. Can't really see, but it's back there under there.
Yeah. Alright guys, we're gonna get to that. Don't worry.
Alright guys, we're at the point where we're about to install the intake. They're almost done. And I'm just the cameraman. But for now, you know, I'm gonna show y'all my car real quick. We just finished doing an oil change. Yeah. You know, it's on wood right now, so. And it's kind of dirty, but look at your boy. Look at your boy's fitment. Hold on, let me get the light for y'all. Look at that fitment, bro. I'm static for real. But that's gonna change. Got the turbo kit at home. And we're gonna be installing that this summer. That's why I removed my cowl. I'm gonna be doing a hood dump. And yeah, hopefully Isaac records my turbo build.
Alright guys, so we figured out how to get the box out, but first step, this was connected in here like this. I disconnected it and I just pulled this out. Now this piece is out. Now I'm gonna push this down so I can properly pull this out. Put one hand here, pull it out. These are like push style. Try not to break it. Okay, one's out. Got it. All right, now the air box is out. All right, before I do it, get those two bolts right here. There's these two bolts. Got to get them out to get the battery tray out because we're relocating the battery over here so then the intake could run down. All right, let's do this. We're joined by Anthony, if you want to show him on the camera. If you did something, cut the clip. Right, Anthony, explain yourself. Come on, bro, he's recording. All right, cut the clip, please.
Oh, you recorders, I'm gonna knock him out. All right, check. Little chisel.
Come on, explain. He's disconnecting the battery sensor since he doesn't want to talk. Oh, there you go. Wrong one. No, that's the right one. To the chassis of the car. Point to it so you can see. Alright, Anthony's about to disconnect that. Thank you, Anthony. Alright guys, so this is the ECU. We got the cover off. 10 mil right there. 2 10 mils right there. Now Anthony's about to just get it off. We're also gonna disconnect it. Sorry about my voice. I'm just recovering from a cold, I guess you could say. But yeah, he's about to just disconnect the plugs and we should be good to go.
Yo, what's up guys? It's Isaac Fonseca back again with another video. We're doing a Acuity intake install.
What thing?
You recording?
Yeah, I'm recording.
Alright, well, the battery tray's now in. Alright guys, this is a in-car. Alright guys, so the other clip, the camera died, but here's a nice little first gear. Sounds so good. But yeah, this is how it sounds. I'm gonna get you guys some like in-car revs now. Here's some in-cabin. You guys could check out the revs and listen to see accordingly. Alright guys, so this video has been in the making for about a few months and some change now. Maybe a month or two in total, but I just haven't really been motivated to finish this video for some reason. But as you guys can see, the intake is on the car. I put the Flash Pro Tune on it and it is running amazing, sounds great, pushes great, car feels amazing. I'm really happy with it. Yeah, if you guys could leave a like, comment, subscribe, stay tuned for more. And this video wasn't like really a proper install guide, so if you guys really want to know how to install this intake on your 9th gen, go to Acuity's YouTube channel and they'll basically just show you how to install it step by step. But yeah, if you could leave a like, comment, subscribe, stay tuned for more videos. Peace.